hydrocyclone. Don't mind the sunny day, it's very hot here in Sierra Leone at this moment that I'm making the documentary, but nonetheless, we're used to it. This is actually a view of the hydrocyclone. Whatever is being separated and sent to the hopper of the ball mill, actually it can be pumped. It's pumped through pipe, network and pumps to come to the hydrocyclone, because we are looking out for fine materials. So what we want from this, we carry out two separations from this side, the overflow and the underflow. But we are interested in the overflow because we want fine size material. That is why they pass through to the ball mill and come here. The overflow goes to a down hopper that was sent to the gravity section, which we call the spirals end, and the underflow that is still of bigger sizes will go back to the ball mill for a regrinding. So basically, these are the two separations that are carried here. You have the overflow that goes to a hopper underneath that is sending to the gravity section. The underflow goes back to the ball mill for regrinding. And in a short while, I'll take you through some service pumps that helps to supply both water, yes, within the milling circuit area and the gravity section before we get to the gravity proper. Till we get there, thank you.